Hey, it's Randy from UC Status. Today I'm super excited to do another, unboxing. Let's ditch the box, but by popular demand, I'm going to do another unboxing, this time of the Logitech MX Creative Console. Not my usual thing, given that I test Teams devices and stuff, but it is actually a Teams device. I'll show you in another video upcoming. But for right now, let's unbox. So I've had this for a couple of days now, and I've been waiting to have time to actually record this. So yeah, I haven't even taken it out of the box even once. So all I did was actually cut the tape just to make it easy for the video. Right, taking the lid off. Unboxing videos, you normally kind of describe the box, don't you? So at the front, you can see the two parts of the Creative Console. On the back, you can kind of see a little bit about the use cases and things like that, kind of what's in the box and things, a bit about what you need, some of the carbon clarity. So Logitech is really big on sustainability, and putting carbon clarity labeling on their packaging is something they've been doing for a little while, and you're going to start to see on a lot more products, and a bunch of fine print in different languages, that sort of thing there, and then another product shot there. Right, let's take this out of the box. It just slides out. Inside the shiny case with all of the graphics on it is just a brown box, right? With that little hanger thing for retail. All it is this to open up, and a little Pulp Fiction shot. Oh yeah, it's what we want. So inside you can see the quick start guide stenciled onto the lid to help you get started. The actual two components of the products themselves are wrapped in a paper. There is no plastic to be seen. The only bit of plastic I've actually seen on the box for this product was actually the tape holding the lid down. Everything else, as far as I can tell, is made of cardboard, probably recycled cardboard. Even the hanger, I can see, it looks like it could be plastic, but it's probably recycled plastic, but in closer inspection, it actually might be compressed cardboard. Very sturdy, so it helps hang on retail shelves and that sort of thing. But right, enough about the packaging itself. Let's get the products out. So there's two components. There's one here, as I said, wrapped in paper. A little product card here for an offer on Adobe Creative Cloud. So redeem your Adobe Creative Cloud all app offer for new and current members. So I happen to know this is actually a 3-month free trial subscription on the Adobe Creative Cloud. All the apps that actually come with that. The dial itself and the console works really well with Adobe, but it also works with other things. I'll show you those in some more upcoming videos. And of course, you've got the little sleeve of stuff, safety, conformance, and a bunch of other stuff there. I'm just going to put that aside. USB-C to C cable, nice sturdy C to C cable wrapped in a bit of Velcro there to keep it nice and tidy. And then what else we got here? I'm going to take that out. Right, so let's unwrap this first. So this is actually the table stand. I'm going to take this one out next. All right, so this is actually the touch pad. So you can see it's got 3x3 or 9 buttons, plus the 2 buttons here for pagination. On the back, you've got a USB-C port. You can just see that there. And then what you can do is, I believe, there you go. It just clips in to give you a stand-up thing. On the back of the actual table stand, it's got a little clip, I guess, to hold the C cable in place so it doesn't come out. And obviously that would come out the back. Just going to leave that there. And then over here, we've got the other part of this console, and that is a dial. The dial itself, it's got an up and down kind of motion here. It is a dial, and it's got a bunch of buttons. It's got a power button on the back. It's got the Bluetooth pairing button here. So it actually has 3-channel Bluetooth, just like Logitech mice and keyboards and that sort of thing. And then here, something that actually flips is just a battery cover. Yeah. So it's actually got 2 AAA batteries inside already. Just going to clip that in place. Right, so there is actually no USB-C port on the back of this. As I said, it's got that 3-channel Bluetooth. Right, so it looks like you actually Bluetooth pair the dial, the MX dialpad it's called, to a laptop. That's step 1 and 2. Turn it on, pair with your laptop. Step 3 is to connect this USB-C to the actual button console and then connect that to your laptop. And then step 4 is to download an app at app.logi.com. And then down the bottom it has, you can actually use this either on the stand or just lay it flat and connect it there. You can also integrate it with the Adobe Creative Cloud, as I mentioned. So if you're doing audio, video editing, Photoshop, or any of those kind of things using the Adobe suite, then of course the console is for you as well. And that's it. That's the whole unboxing of the Logitech MX Creative Console. Super excited to get started with this. Look out for some more videos on how I integrate it with apps like Microsoft Teams, Zoom it says, Spotify, Apple Music, editing software like the Adobe suite, and more. If this has been useful, go ahead and give me a like, share with your friends, leave a comment to tell me how I did or ask me a question, and subscribe for more content like this and also about Teams and other devices. Thanks for watching.